Hi, my name is Borko Furt. I'm chairman and professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering.
Associate Professor in Computer Science and Engineering. So we're doing a lot of work here related to media processing, encoding, transmission, transcoding, content understanding, mobile video delivery, essentially targeting new generation of media services.
My name is Ravi Shankar. This is a multidisciplinary center that welcomes faculty members from all different departments in the College of Engineering. We have been working on a project that has been funded by Motorola for the past 6 years by Mr. Jaime Boras here. He was a senior VP at Motorola at that time.
One pass to production has been a very successful project with the main goal to perform research and development of new tools and technologies in order to reduce the development life cycle of their telephones, cell phones from 24 months to 24 hours.
Come up with the methodology that Motorola admits that it can bring it down to about 4 months. We think we can bring it down to 1 month. So we have a lot more work to do.
Welcome to TCM. TCM is short for Telecommunication and Computer Networking Laboratory. My name is Sam Xu. Research focus currently is on advanced web engineering.
Hello, I'm Abhi Pandya, and we have several young faculty members who also help us out. So we have several very outstanding students. The main focus of our lab are research projects from industry, which are very hands-on research projects, where we have a big component of in-lab research that we do here and provide it to industry. Another fraction of our research deals with healthcare related things. We team up with researchers in the nursing college, and we have a very dynamic program.
Welcome to the Logic Design and Microprocessor and Embedded System Lab. This is one of my famous experiments which I use in the embedded system, in the graduate and in the undergraduate experiment. Control the speed. A motion sensor with motion, the light turns on and off. All these controls is managed by one single controller, and that is the 9S12NE for network enabled. This single chip microprocessor also has embedded web controls.
Supported by both FAU and Pronto Progress. Basically, we are doing web-based application research and development. And he's the president of Pronto Progress, which are our sponsor here. We're lucky to have you, Tim, today.
Hi, my name is Timothy Prooks. I'm the president of Pronto Progress. And we wanted to develop a relationship with a major university. We've had good results recruiting students from FAU, actually exceptional results doing that. The students would be able to work at the lab, then go to their classes, then come back to the lab to work some more. And finally, it would give us a chance to develop their expertise, and of course, they'll take a job with us when they graduate. The results have been fantastic. It's one of the best business decisions I've made.
In terms of the research topics that we have been doing here in the lab, essentially the reverse engineering is talking about the opposite of this forward engineering. Another work is done by our student right here is on the interoperability of UML modeling tools. So another work is done by our student right here is we working on the mining software repository data. The last work we are doing here, nursing informatics. This project is a collaboration with the Dr. Marilyn Parker in nursing school and Dr. Sam Xu and Dr. Pendia from TCN Lab.
The Data Mining and Machine Learning Laboratory. My name is Dr. Tagi Koshkov. We have two labs together in one place. One is Empirical Software Engineering Lab and the Data Mining and Machine Learning Lab. Over 350 referee journal and conference paper. More than 60 PhD students and master students written thesis and dissertations, and several industry partners we had that, and several academic collaborators as well.
Carlos Fernandez. My projects in general are on computer security. In particular, we have been doing some work on web services security. So this shows a map of patterns, that some of the patterns that we have produced. This is the work of several of my students. We have produced several papers. Actually, as a result, we produced some reports for this was a project for the Department of Defense with journals. Basically, the idea is to apply a methodology that goes throughout all of the stages of the software lifecycle. And now we are working on extending this to a system that combine security in information system with security to control access to physical structures.
I'm really happy, like Florida Atlantic University has offered me a lot of things, a lot of various good courses. The professors here are really nice. They are always helpful and they are always telling me how to progress in my research activities.
Hello and welcome to the Wireless Sensor Lab. My name is Mihaela Carte and this is an NSF funded laboratory. My main research interests are in the area of wireless sensor network and ad hoc networking in general. And I'm concerned with the design of efficient algorithms and protocols for various optimization problems.
Hello and welcome to our lab. My name is Yunus Karday. My research in this laboratory has several directions. One is protocols and applications for wireless sensor networks, and then I'm also involved in routing protocols for delay tolerant networks.
We deal with modes. A mode is small sensing device, processor, radio board. It has a very low power CPU. It's plug in to this processor radio board, a sensor board like this, and you end up with a sensor node that can sense, measure data from the environment and send those measurements back to the user. We have almost 100 of these nodes. We do measurements with them, we develop different sensing applications, and we also use them for education.
My name is Imad Mahjoub. I'm a professor of computer science and engineering, and I'm also the director of the mobile computing lab. This is a very active lab. We have a very strong team of about 6 PhD students and 5 master students. And we're working on very exciting problems in mobile computing and wireless networking.
Our supercomputing center, supported by NSF, it's $450,000 grant. We selected 2 computers, IBM Bled and Silicon Graphics Altix, the latest computers with 20 and 72 nodes and processors. And we are doing a number of projects, our faculty and students.